Overcoming Skepticism Step by Step. Hello to all of my Reprogrammed Mindset listeners. This audiobook is designed to guide you through the process of transforming skepticism into conviction. By exploring various techniques and insights, you can develop a stronger sense of belief in your abilities, ideas, and the world around you. Whether you struggle with self-doubt or seek to strengthen your convictions, this guide will provide you with the tools and understanding to navigate this transformative journey. Chapter 1. Understanding Skepticism. The nature of skepticism. Skepticism is a natural part of the human experience. Learn about the origins and purpose of skepticism, and how it can serve as both a protective mechanism and a barrier to conviction. Differentiating healthy skepticism from cynicism. Healthy skepticism involves critical thinking and open-mindedness, while cynicism is a more negative and dismissive attitude. Discover how to distinguish between the two and foster a balanced perspective. Chapter 2. Self-reflection and awareness. Identifying the roots of skepticism. Understand the underlying causes of your skepticism. Whether it stems from past experiences, fear of failure, or lack of information, identifying these roots is the first step toward overcoming them. Cultivating self-awareness. Develop self-awareness through practices such as mindfulness, journaling, and meditation. Learn how these tools can help you gain clarity about your thoughts and beliefs. Chapter 3. Building a foundation of knowledge. The importance of education and research. Knowledge is a powerful antidote to skepticism. Discover the value of continuous learning and research in building a solid foundation for your beliefs. Critical thinking and analysis. Develop your critical thinking skills to analyze information effectively. Learn how to evaluate evidence, recognize biases, and draw informed conclusions. Chapter 4. Embracing open-mindedness. The power of an open mind. Open-mindedness allows you to consider new ideas and perspectives. Explore strategies for cultivating an open mind and remaining receptive to different viewpoints. Overcoming confirmation bias. Confirmation bias is the tendency to favor information that confirms your existing beliefs. Learn how to recognize and overcome this bias to develop a more balanced and objective perspective. Chapter 5. Developing inner confidence. Building self-esteem. Self-esteem is a crucial component of conviction. Discover techniques for boosting your self-esteem and developing a positive self-image. Trusting your intuition. Intuition is an important guide in the journey to conviction. Learn how to listen to and trust your intuitive insights. Chapter 6. Setting and achieving goals. The role of goal setting in building conviction. Setting and achieving goals can reinforce your beliefs and build confidence. Understand the importance of clear, achievable goals in your journey. Creating a roadmap for success. Develop a step-by-step plan for achieving your goals. Learn how to break down larger goals into manageable tasks and track your progress. Chapter 7. Overcoming fear and doubt. Facing your fears. Fear is a common barrier to conviction. Explore strategies for confronting and overcoming your fears. Managing doubt. Doubt can undermine your beliefs and hinder progress. Learn techniques for managing doubt and maintaining a positive outlook. Chapter 8. Seeking support and guidance. The importance of a support system. A strong support system can provide encouragement and validation. Discover how to build a network of supportive friends, family, and mentors. Finding mentors and role models. Mentors and role models can offer valuable insights and inspiration. Learn how to identify and connect with individuals who can guide you on your journey. Chapter 9. Practicing resilience and persistence. The value of resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks. Understand the importance of resilience in maintaining conviction. Cultivating persistence. Persistence is key to achieving your goals and strengthening your beliefs. Explore strategies for staying motivated and committed to your path. Chapter 10. Celebrating progress and success. Recognizing milestones. Celebrate your progress and achievements along the way. Learn how to acknowledge and appreciate your growth. Reflecting on your journey. Take time to reflect on your journey from skepticism to conviction. Understand the lessons you've learned and the growth you've experienced. Conclusion. In this audiobook, The Road to Conviction. Overcoming Skepticism Step by Step, we've explored the essential steps to transform skepticism into strong, unwavering conviction. By understanding skepticism, cultivating self-awareness, building knowledge, embracing open-mindedness, developing inner confidence, setting and achieving goals, overcoming fear and doubt, seeking support, practicing resilience, and celebrating progress, you can navigate this journey successfully. Thank you for joining me on this transformative path. May your journey be filled with growth, confidence, and unwavering conviction. Be sure to take a moment to watch more of our forever-growing audiobooks on topics such as resetting your mindset, manifestation, the law of abundance, law of attraction, law of vibration, building confidence, and more. I'm extremely grateful for having you a part of the Reprogrammed Mindset community. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our daily content. Remember, your mindset is your most powerful tool. Stay positive, stay focused, and keep reprogramming your mindset for success. Until next time, have nothing short of a fantastic day.